Hello everyone, welcome back to Tarron Innovative World, the home of creativity and exploits. If today is the first time of seeing my channel, do well by subscribing. All you need to do is click on the red subscribe button and there's a like button. Click on the like button if you like this video. Alright, so and if you like other people, if you like this channel to grow wide, click on the like button so that you tell YouTube that you're really enjoying my videos, right? Okay, and invite friends to also subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much to all my old time subscribers. Thank you to all the new ones, and thanks to the potential subscribers. Thank you so much, guys. So in today's video I'll be teaching you how to make a very beautiful handbag, tote bag. You can call it a fashion bag. Okay, so this one is a very different style. Okay, so let's get into the detail of the video. What do you need for this? All right, so I got this very beautiful shiny leather material. Okay, it's actually expensive, yes. All right, so and then this one is also another leather. Okay, this is a plain pattern that has shine on it. I don't know what to call it. Okay, so they are all quality leather materials. Okay, now the measurement of the main body is 12 inches by 22.2 inches, or you can just make it 22 inches. Okay, so 12 by 22.2. all right, so now this pattern, all right, and this is for the front pocket. Okay, so we just want to use it to style the bag, okay, to bring it out. Okay, so it's a silver material, so you can just do it the way you like. Okay, but for this particular video, this is what we'll be doing. Okay, so it's 7 inches. Okay, 6 inches by 7 inches for the pocket. Okay, so the width is 6 inches while the length is 7 inches. Okay, now the next thing we'll be doing is, okay, and for the handle, okay, this is 2.5 by 26 inches, so you need 2 of these, right? All right, so these are the things we'll be needing basically. Okay, now the next thing I want to do is, this is silver, right? So I'm thinking of using black. Okay, so that since the main body is black, so I just want to like do it as a pattern. Okay, now for the front pocket, okay, now for the lining, you're going to cut the same lining. Okay, like, or you can make it slightly bigger. So now what I'm going to be doing now for the lining is I'm going to be, so you just stitch it round. All right, so this is it. Now the next thing I'm going to do is I'll fold this inside. Okay, and top stitch it. See what I have. All right, so now the next thing is I'll fold this the way I'm doing now. Okay, and then I'll top stitch it. We're actually trying this style together. Okay, I'm using a manual sewing machine. So for those that are asking if they have to buy industrial before they can be able to go into bag making, it's not true. Okay, you can use any machine like butterfly, lion. Okay, now after doing this, all right, Now the next thing I'm going to be doing is I'm going to get now. All right, so get the center, okay, by joining it together this way, okay, then notch the center, notch the center. All right, so we'll also come to the main bag, okay. I'm going to get the center of this main bag. Okay, so this is the center, or I can just notch it a bit so that I can have idea of where the center is starting from, okay. So I'll measure 2 inches. That's, I'll leave 2 inches. So you can use your this marker, okay, bag marker. So make sure that this side, since it's 12, okay, here, in fact I actually got the center exactly, yes. So now I will now place my pocket directly. You can see my pocket, so this will be exactly, the pocket is now 5 points, so yeah, so we are on exactly. So let me also get the midpoint of this, okay. Let me use my marker pen. Just to get the center. So I'll place the center so that it will be equal, right? So now I'm going to top stitch on this, okay. So actually I'm supposed to use silver color, so just top stitch on it. Beauty that we have here, so I top stitch it, then top stitch it again, just to style it, okay. So you can make it once, okay. Now the next thing is to now so I actually started fixing this before, so I decided, I remember that I had to do this before before using my lining, okay. All right, so you can see, so this is the front pocket, right? All right, so now just after you cut your lining, make it a little bit bigger, so you sew it round. The next thing is to work on the handle, okay. So this is what I will do. So I'll stitch it like this. See what I did? I folded this and this, so it will be like 1 inch, okay. So you top stitch it. All right, so I'm going to give you the second stitch, okay. So the next thing is I'm going to fold this inside, okay, and top stitch. So do the same thing on this part, on this side. Alright, so I want to give this like a V cut. So place it on this and cut it. So I'll measure 3 inches, okay, from here. So let's make it 3.5. Okay. so leave 2 inches from this side. So I'm going to stitch it now. So this is what you do on I'm going to show you this way. Alright, so this is what you're going to do to all this angle. Okay, so when I'm done with this, I will let you see it here. Alright, so that the next thing we do is we fold it this way and stitch it. Okay, stitch it. I like to start my stitch from down like this, so I'll just make sure that it's equal from the top. So do the same thing to the other side. So now the next thing is I'm going to be cutting, okay, I'm going to be stitching like 1 inch. Okay, so you just stitch it. This I'll also come here and stitch just for it to have a sitting bum bum. Show you the final. So I'm going to cut this. Alright, so I can cover here. So let me turn it and show you the. See what we have. Yeah, so this is what we have. So thank you so much for your time. If you'd like to watch more of my video, just scroll through, you see so many videos there. Thank you so much. Like, subscribe and share the videos. Like by clicking the likes button. Bye bye for now.